to get ready with our cake boards here. I am going to take, since they're cardboard, I'm going to take 4 of them and just take some hot glue, and I'm going to have one with the corrugation that way. Lines are going this way. It's probably hard to see on camera. Put the other one with the lines going the opposite direction. Probably see it maybe better back here. These lines are going this way, so then the next board goes that way. See, they're going this way. So just alternate, and that makes a stronger board. So you can either hot glue these or you can use tape. I just happen to have the hot glue here because I'm going to put ribbon around the board also. Okay, now before I put the ribbon, what I want to do is cover this with some blue fondant. Okay, so they're all together. I'm going to just pop that off to the side. So I've got some blue fondant. This is just this that nice blue, how it comes out of the bucket. Since circus cakes are usually going to go with primary colors. So just make sure we knead this up a bit here. Okay, and then I like to just kind of flatten it out a bit. Use some cornstarch here and just start rolling it out. Okay, so it needs to be as big as that cake board there. Now that's those are 16-inch cake boards taped together. Remember our circus tent is an 8-inch board, 8-inch cakes. Just make sure you can move it, that it's not sticking to the surface. Make sure it's not sticking. And we're almost there. What I do is get it to close, and then I'll put it on here, and I can even roll it out a little bit more on the board. So I lift this up. I don't like attaching it with anything until I know I'm going to have the right size, but see how close that is? Okay, so then I can just kind of roll it out a little more. Okay, then we can lift it up. We can take a little shortening. You can use water also. Just kind of lift it up and put a little on here. Now, if you want to save some fondant, then what you could do is just get an 8-inch cake circle, because that's what size our cake is on. Decide where you're going to place it on the board, and then cut out that 8-inch circle, and then that's where you can sit the other cake, the tent, and you'll save a little bit of fondant there. I'm just going to go ahead and use it. And I got a little shortening on there. I want to just kind of get that off by using some of the cornstarch. It looks like I need to go just a little bit wider here. So right now I'm just going over this very lightly. Okay. So now you can just trim the excess. And let me use my spatula knife here. It's a palette knife. So I can kind of come up here like this. Cut around the edge.